Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends and not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this, all you have to do just click here and then type background apps, and now make sure to turn off this option and then close it and go to graphic settings and then enable this option, enable it, and then restart your PC. And after starting your PC, right click on League of Legends, go to properties, compatibility, and then change settings for all users. And now make sure to enable those two options, click apply and OK, and then OK again. And now just open it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to uninstall it and install it again, and then your problem must be fixed after that. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.